Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. So we're back with one more smartwatch review, and this time we have with us a rugged smartwatch from Kospet, and it's the Tank M1. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and we'll show you how it performs. So here is the box of the Kospet Tank M1. It's a simple looking box, and here we have the Kospet branding along with the tagline, "The watch you want." At the back we have the picture of the smartwatch along with the specifications, and here we have the app details. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get the Tank M1 user guide, and it has a detailed info about the features of this smartwatch. Then we get this thank you card, and here we can see it comes with 1 year warranty. And then in the box we have the smartwatch itself. And guys, this watch is available in two colors, black and green, and the one we have here is the green variant. So here we have the watch module, and then here we have the rubber straps. One more thing is that you can also order an extra straps, and here we have the camo green strap. Now looking at the box content, then we get the screen guard, and by the way, there is already a screen guard on the watch. And then we get the charging cable, and here is how it connects at the back of the watch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Kospet Tank M1 is a budget rugged smartwatch. So as it's a rugged smartwatch, it comes with all the features such as military standard certifications. It's 5 ATM and IP69K waterproof. It can face extreme conditions from -40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. And most importantly, the company claims that this smartwatch comes with a metal body which can withstand 5 tons of truck crushing weight. So overall this rugged smartwatch is well built and quite sturdy. In terms of looks and design, I have used few rugged smartwatches before, and I find this watch very comfortable on the hand. It has a square design with the metal casing, and you get the Kospet Tank branding in the front. In terms of the overview, we have the 1.72-inch IPS display with the resolution of 280 by 320 pixels. And on the right side, we have the two function buttons. At the back we have the heart rate and the Spo2 sensor, and above it we have the charging points. The straps of this watch is made up of good quality material and goes very well with the overall design. And also, you can replace the straps as per your choice. So overall the Kospet Tank M1 is feature rich, and to be honest, it's the first rugged smartwatch we have seen so far which offers lot of features under Rs 5,000. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, we need to download the third party app, and it's a DA Fit. And for pairing, just tap on the add watch and select the Tank M1 from the list, and that's it. Your smartwatch is now ready to use. Now let's look at the features of this smartwatch. So first of all, the 1.72-inch display looks good. It's bright, and the viewing angles are also pretty good. In terms of the controls, here we are on the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. And also, you can add more watch faces from the app. Swiping down from the top shows you the quick settings, and here we have the brightness, theater mode, settings, timer, vibration settings, power saving mode which reduces the brightness, and then we have the camera shutter and the weather. And guys, as you can see, the touch response is very good. Now coming back to the controls, swiping up from the bottom will show you the notification history, and when you swipe left from the right side, you can access the quick apps such as step count, sleep, heart rate, and a lot more. There is also a shortcut app drawer which you can access by swiping right from the left side. And from here, you can access these apps quickly. To access the main menu, you need to press the bottom button once. And here we have the main menu. So first we have the step count, and then we have the sleep data. After that we have the heart rate. And guys, the heart rate detection in this watch is fast, and also the data is fairly accurate. After that we have the workout modes, and in this watch you get 24 sports modes, which includes walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, etc. After that we have the Spo2 monitoring, and here it takes some time to show you the data, but the data is accurate, but again it is only for reference and should not be used for any medical purposes. Then in the menu we have the blood pressure monitoring, which is again for reference only. After that we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather as well as the weather forecast for upcoming few days. Then in the menu we have the notification history, camera shutter, music control, and here you can control the music on your phone but no volume controls. And then we have the breathe, which allows you to do some breathing exercises. After that we have the usual alarm, stopwatch, timer with some preset timers, theater mode, and then we have the watch faces. And after that we have the settings of the smartwatch. In these settings we have the brightness, And talking about the brightness, it's quite bright and I've used this watch for a couple of weeks now and I can say that the brightness is very good for both indoors and bright outdoor conditions. Then in the settings we have the vibration settings and after that we have the usual reset, power off and the QR code for the app. So that's all the features we have in the watch and we found these options pretty good, and as it's a budget rugged smartwatch, the features you're getting are more than sufficient, but we are missing the stress monitoring. Apart from these features, you also get raise to wake or flick wrist to wake up the screen feature, which by the way works pretty good and the response time is also less. Now let me quickly show you the companion app DaFit. So it's a third party app which we have seen with a few other smartwatches from other brands. The UI of the app is basic and we have the fitness data on the top, and then we have the heart rate, sleep, Spo2 and the blood pressure data. You can also tap on any of these cards to see the historical data. On the device page, we have the connected device on the top and here you can go through the watch face store. And guys, here we have the default watch faces and you can also apply a custom watch face. And about the watch face options, the options are decent and some of these watch faces do look pretty good on the watch. Then in the settings we have the notifications and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your watch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And in this watch, you can reject or silent the call. And here is how we get the app notification. So you do get the app icon on the top, but unfortunately, we don't have the emoji support or the preset replies option in this smartwatch. Then in the settings we have the other settings and here you can turn on the reminders and also the continuous heart rate monitoring. And you can also enable the quick view, which is the raise to wake feature. Apart from that, we have the drink water reminder and the physiological cycle reminder for females. So that's all the options and features we have in the app. The app is basic but offers all the necessary features. So overall the Kospet Tank M1 is the cheapest rugged smartwatch available in the market right now. Hardware wise, this smartwatch is pretty good, and from military grade certifications to withstanding 5 tons of crushing force, this smartwatch is definitely well built. The display performance is good and feature wise, it's packed with all the necessary features. The battery backup is also good and the 380 mAh battery can easily give you 10 to 15 days of battery backup with moderate usage. The fitness data is quite accurate and even though this smartwatch looks big and bulky, it's quite comfortable on the hand. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a rugged smartwatch and don't want to spend a lot, then we highly recommend you to check out this budget rugged smartwatch from Kospet. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy this smartwatch, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was our review of the Kospet Tank M1 smartwatch. Let us know if you like this smartwatch and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.